Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Stylish Hobby, and where I put together an outfit with shoes that just released. And today we're going to be talking about the Nike SB Dunks in Street Walker that released on January 22nd for $110 on the Sneakers app. And I got these, and I must say I am still in shock. I still can't believe that I got my hands on these. These were so limited. A lot of people were trying to cop a pair, and let me tell you, a lot of people were very unsuccessful. I did announce that I got them, and a lot of my followers were very shocked. They couldn't believe that I got my hands on these. A lot of them were, unfortunately unable to get them because they were so limited. I got very lucky. I'm so grateful right now. And I must say that these shoes are absolutely beautiful. They resemble a lot of the What the Dunks. So I know a lot of people, when they first saw pictures of these, I know they compare them to those a lot because they're very similar. It's that nice concept of two shoes being different. They're not the same at all. They have different materials and a different imprinting. And these were actually inspired by the Chinese culture as well as the Chinese street food vendors and food. So I really love that. And getting into the shoes, as you guys can see, these shoes have different colors going on, and they're very different from the actual other pair of shoes. The actual swoosh on this one is a nice silver gray, silver metallic gray, and then as you guys can see on the uppers, excuse me guys, on the uppers is just these nice regular nice colors, which I would think they resemble the actual Chinese food and culture as well. And then getting into the midsole is just a regular white midsole with the bottom sole in yellow, which goes with the overall look of this particular pair. And then on the toe box, as you guys can see, is this nice metallic copper color on it, and this is supposed to be resembling the actual hot chili oil that they use in Chinese food, I would think, and that's why they went for that. But to be honest with you guys, I would have preferred that they went more for this material on the shoe, which is this nice furry suede on the upper nubuck. So I think they should have went for this better. But I mean, it is, a completely different, pair. So they wanted to go for the different type of materials and colors. And then as you guys can see, it has the tongue in black. And then on this one, it has it in white. So they actually went for the opposite color on this one. And then the Nike SB logo is in red on this one. And then on this one is just yellow. So these actually came with 4 colored laces. They came with the black and white, which they're right here, as you guys can see. They went for black and white, and then they went for this nice cream color as well as this nice really bright green. And I actually switched it completely, the laces. I went for the cream colored on this one and the green color on this one because I feel like it went better with the colors of the overall shoe, and I really love that. So getting into the materials on this one, because they are very different. This one actually, as you guys can see, it has the swoosh and this nice wooden print on it. And this is supposed to be resembling chopsticks, which is really cool. And then I was looking into really deeply into the shoe, and I can see here that they actually chose this print on it. And the material is like a really nice soft suede. And this, I think it's trying to resemble tofu. If any of you guys agree with what I said about the tofu, then leave the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. This is a really, really neat shoe. I really love them. And it has so much going on that if I miss something, I would love for you guys to leave me your feedback in the comments down below. So getting into the midsole on this one is also white, and then on the bottom sole is this nice light blue grayish color, and then it also has the Nike SB logo in white. So I don't know if any of you guys noticed, on the back of the shoe it has this Chinese lettering on it, and this is supposed to be a translation for food, which is really cool. You know, hence the whole idea of the shoe, which is supposed to be the food from China and the culture and everything. So I think that was a really nice touch that they went for the shoe. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think of these shoes. I think they're absolutely amazing. I mean, for the price that I paid, I did pay $110 retail. Right now, they're going for on Goat like almost $700. So I mean, it was a blessing to get my hands on these. They were so limited, and when I wore them, a lot of people were like looking at them and looking at me, and they were like, you know, because they're so different and so out there. You don't see shoes like these very often. So getting straight into it, I'm going to get into the outfit that I chose, guys. And I'm going to be really honest with you guys. This was not an easy shoe for me to style. Just because these shoes have so much going on. And, you know, I wanted to find something that went perfect with them. And, guys, this is a really funny story. But I actually went to GameStop to get a game for my new PS5. And I don't know if any of you guys are gamers like me, but they do have a section in GameStop. I don't know if you guys shop there, where they do have merch. They have like shirts and graphic tees. So I actually found the perfect graphic tee for these shoes. And I believe I paid $15 for this because I do have the GameStop membership. So I have a $5 off. But this retailed for $20. And as you guys can see, it's just a regular graphic tee, and it says Maruchan on it, recommended cooking directions. And it has the steps on how to make ramen noodle soup, which is really cool. I thought it was perfect. It does go with the, you know, with the theme of the Chinese culture and the Chinese food. So I had to get my hands on the shirt. Guys, let me know what you guys think. I'll be leaving down the link down below of the GameStop store where I got it. And if you guys are interested in getting it, I feel like you guys should get it now. Just because I feel like it's perfect. It went perfect. And it's really, you know, it's really cool. I love it. So, guys, I actually wore this underneath the actual hoodie that I chose for the outfit. And I went for this nice hoodie that I got at Marshall's, and I paid $20 for this hoodie. And as you guys can see, it's just a regular hoodie with the string ties in the front. And it has this nice Dexter character in the front in green. And then it also has, I think this is Red and Stimpy, I'm not too sure, in orange. And then on the sleeve, it has the Cartoon Network logo on it, which I absolutely love because it reminds me so much of my childhood, you know. And then on the back, it also has some other characters from the Cartoon Network channel, and then it has the number 92 in red and in blue. So guys, just, you know, I want to know what you guys favorite Cartoon Network characters were, or favorite show. You know, I would love to get to know my subscribers a little more. So leave me in the comments down below what you guys' favorite Cartoon Network characters were. For me, I loved Dexter's Laboratory, and I also loved Two Stupid Dogs. I don't know if you guys remember that show, but anyway, yeah. So guys, getting into, to finish it off for the outfit, getting to the bottoms, I actually wore black jeans, and these are my staple jeans, and just the regular black Levi jeans that I usually like to wear, and I paid $30 for these. So yeah, guys, that will be it for this video. Let me know what you guys think on the Street Hawker Dunks that released on January 22nd. Let me know if any of you guys were lucky enough to get a pair. Let me know if you guys love them. I know I absolutely am in love with them, and I'm so happy that I got my pair. And yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, rate, and subscribe. And until my next video, bye.